Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Hub. You are watching CTT FABE Mega Revision Social Science. In this video, we will get 100 most important social science questions with correct answer. This mega set is extremely useful for CET paper 2, especially for last minute revision. So, keep your notebook ready, revise smartly, and let's begin. History. First, father of history. Answer Herodotus. 2. Harappa civilization belongs to Bronze Age. 3. Capital of Maurya Empire. Answer Patliputra. Question number 4. Arthashastra was written by. Correct answer Kautilya means Chanakya. Question number 5. First Mughal rules of India. Answer Babur. Question number 6. Akbar's religious policy. Answer Sulk-e-Khul. Question number 7. Battle of Plassey found in. Answer 1757. Question number 8. Permanent settlement introduced by. Answer Lord Cornwallis. Question number 9. Revolt of 1857 started from. Correct answer Meerut. Question number 10. First victory of India. Answer Lord Canning. Question number 11. Quit India movement started in. Correct answer 1942. Question number 12. Founder of Brahmo Samaj. Correct answer Rajaram Mohan Rai. Question number 13. Simon Commission come in India in. Correct answer 1928. Question number 14. Non-cooperation movement withdrawn after. Correct answer Chaura Chauri incidents. Question number 15. First President of India, Indian National Congress. Correct answer V.C. Banerjee. Question number 16. Dandi March started from. Correct answer Sabarmati Ashram. Question number 17. Partition of Bengal happened in. Correct answer 1905. Question number 18. Aryans mainly lived in. Correct answer Sapt Sindhu region. Question number 19. Gupta period known as. Correct answer Golden Age. Question number 20. Ajanta caves belong to. Correct answer Buddhism. Question number 21. First Buddhist council held at. Correct answer Rajgir. Question number 22. Rigveda written in. Correct answer Sanskrit. Question number 23. Capital of Vijayanagara Empire. Correct answer Hampi. Question number 24. Doctrine of Lapse introduced by. Correct answer Lord Dalhousie. Question number 25. Indian Independence Act passed in. Correct answer 1947. Now geography question. Question number 26. Largest continent. Correct answer Asia. Question number 27. Longest river of the world. Correct answer Nile. Question number 28. Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian state. Correct answer 8. Question number 29. Imaginary line dividing earth into two halves. Correct answer equator. Question number 30. Study of weather. Answer meteorology. Question number 31. Major sources of fresh water. Correct answer glaciers. Question number 32. Soil most suitable for a cotton. Correct answer black soil. Question number 33. India lies in a which hemisphere? Correct answer northern and eastern. Question number 34. Instrument to measure rainfall. Correct answer rain gauge. Question number 35. Largest ocean. Correct answer Pacific Ocean. Question number 36. Layers of atmosphere. Answer troposphere, stratosphere, mesospheres and thermosphere. Question number 37. Primary occupation. Answer agriculture. Question number 38. Latitude of Tropic of Capricorn. 23 half sense of Celsius of South. Question number 39. Main cause of tides. Gravitation pull on of moon. Question number 40. Rocky cycle incidence. Answer igneous sedimentary metamorphic. Question number 41. Platinum of India. Answer Deccan Platinum. Question number 42. Monsoon winds are. Answer seasonal winds. Question number 43. World's largest desert. Answer Sahara. Question number 44. Green revolution related to. Correct answer agriculture. Question number 45. Tsunami caused by. Correct answer undersea earthquake. Question number 46. Weathering means. Correct answer breaking of rocks. Question number 47. Biggest delta. Correct answer Sundarbans. Sundarbans. Question number 48. Instrument to measuring temperature. Correct answer thermometer. Question number 49. Prime meridian passes through. Answer Greenwich. Question number 50. Largest state of India by area. Correct answer Rajasthan. Now civics polity questions. Question number 51. Father of Indian Constitution. Correct answer Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 52. Lengthiest written constitution. India. Question number 53. Head of the state. Correct answer President. Question number 54. Real exclusive power lies with. Correct answer Prime Minister. Question number 55. Number of fundamental rights. Answer 6. Question number 56. Right to education article. Correct answer Article 21A. Question number 57. Indian Parliament has. Correct answer 2 houses. Question number 58. Upper houses of Parliament. Correct answer Rajya Sabha. Question number 59. Terms of Lok Sabha. Correct answer 5 years. Question number 60. Election Commission is. Correct answer, independent body. Question number 61. Panchayati Raj introduced by. Correct answer, 73rd Constitutional Amendment. Question number 62. Minimum age of voting. Correct answer, 18 years. Question number 36. 63. Indian secularism means. Correct answer, equal respect to all regions. Question number 64. Head of state government. Correct answer, chief minister. Question number 64. Supreme law of India. Correct answer, constitution. Question number 66. Emergency related to national security. Correct answer, article 352. Question number 67. Single citizenship followed by. Correct answer, India. Question number 68. President elected by. Correct answer, Electoral College. Question number 69. Indian democracy is. Correct answer, representative democracy. Correct answer 70. Judiciary is. Correct answer, independent. Question number 71. Federal system means. Answer, division of powers. Question number 72. Constitution adopted on. Correct answer, 26 November 1949. Question number 73. Constitution come into force. Correct answer, 26 January 1950. Question number 74. Number of schedules in a constitution. Answer, 12. Question number 75. Local self-government in villages. Correct answer, Gram Panchayat. Now, last economics questions. Question number 76. Study of economics by Adam Smith. Answer, Wealth of Nations. Question number 77. Basic problems of economy. Correct answer, scarcity. Question number 78. Factors of production. Answer, land, labor, capital and enterprise. Question number 79. Primary sector example. Correct answer, agriculture. Question number 80. Secondary sector example. Correct answer, manufacturing. Question number 81. Territory sector example. Correct answer, services. Question number 82. Money used before currency. Correct answer, barter system. Question number 83. Inflation means. Answer, rise in prices. Question number 84. Banking related to. Answer, money and credit. Question number 85. GDP means. Answer, gross domestic product. Question number 86. Cottage industry located in. Correct answer, rural areas. Question number 87. Public sector owned by. Answer, government. Question number 88. Private sector owned by. Answer, individuals. Question number 89. Poverty line decided by. Answer, government. Question number 90. Human resources means. Answer, people with skills. Question number 91. Employment guarantee scheme. Answer, Manrega. Question number 92. Economic planning body old. Correct answer, Planning Commission. Question number 93. Niti Aayog replaced. Answer, Planning Commission. Question number 94. Consumer is. Correct answer, user of goods. Question number 95. Producer is. Answer, maker of goods. Question number 96. Credit means. Answer, loan. Question number 97. Cooperative example. Correct answer Amul. Question number 98. Import means. Correct answer buying from other country. Question number 99. Export means. Correct answer selling to other country. Question number 100. Sustainable development means. Correct answer development without harming future. That's all for today. CTET Social Science Mega Revision 100 questions. If you revise this set properly, you can full marks in a social science. Use this video for a last day revision and mock practice. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Archana's Teaching Up. All the best for your CTET exam. See you in the next video. Thank you.